Adding a minute-long video to your Instagram story doesn't have to be a pain. In this quick Instagram tutorial, I will show you how to do it without splitting the video into multiple parts. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to add a minute-long video to your Instagram story without splitting it. First of all, open up the Google Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Once you do that, open it up and then swipe right to create a story. So in order to post a 60-second story, you actually don't have to do anything. All you need is the latest version of the Instagram app. So go ahead and record your 60-second story, or you can select a minute-long video from the gallery. So I'm simply going to select a 60-second video from the gallery. And as you can see, I can post the entire video without it splitting into multiple parts. So now you can add music to this, type something in if you want to, and do the typical things that you would do with your stories. Once you are done, simply tap on your story to add this 60-second video to your Instagram story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.